Meaning of inflected.
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 Inflected. The term inflect refers to changing the form of a word to indicate its grammatical function, tense, or mood. Inflected words have different endings to reflect changes in case, gender, number, and other grammatical features. Inflection is an important aspect of many languages, including English, which uses inflections to create different forms of nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. By mastering inflection, language learners can improve their ability to communicate effectively and express themselves with precision and nuance. Overall, inflection is a critical element of grammar that allows us to convey complex meanings with relatively simple structures.